Alright, so let me show you this case study. So this dude has been earning a lot of money through passive income means. He's earned 47,000 ICE tokens. So let's go here. Let's take a look at what the current price of it is. 17 cents. If we plug this into our calculator, he's been making $8,000 a month through this passive income strategy. Yo, what's Gucci Mane, my fellow apes? What if I told you that you could be making money by playing a video game, specifically within the metaverse? What if I also told you that you could be making life-changing money per month through passive means and active means? Okay, so I'm going to be covering the burning questions as to, is there still money to be made in the metaverse? Is it still too late to join? What are the passive and active ways that you could be making money? And what is this project that I'm so excited to introduce to you guys? So I will be answering all those type of questions in the video. So I will see y'all after the intro. Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you the crypto gem that I believe can at least 50x within 2022 or within the next couple of years. Alright, and this project will basically answer all the burning questions that I had at the beginning of the video, so let's just jump right into it. Alright, so this project is called DecentralGames, okay? And if you're not familiar with what the metaverse is, I'll give a brief description before jumping right in. So basically, all the metaverse is that you are in a virtual world where you can interact with other people, and there are different platforms that you can do so. The top two being Decentral and the Sandbox, okay? So the Sandbox is geared towards more of like a video game based type thing, and Decentral is basically a decentralized environment where anyone can buy plots of land and put whatever they want on it, okay? So this is exactly what DecentralGames had done, okay? They basically bought a bunch of land within the metaverse in Decentraland, and they decided to build a casino, okay? So going onto the website, you can go to decentraland.games, okay? And there are a variety of different ways that you can earn money through this. There's a lot of passive income ways, and then there's a lot of active income ways that you can do. And so, and later in the video, I will go and describe one of the case studies where this dude made a lot of money. So make sure you stay tuned and watch the whole video, okay? So let's get right into it. Basically, play to earn games in the metaverse. This is a free to earn game within the metaverse. Play ice poker, trade NFTs, vote in the DAO, and earn real value from favorite games, okay? So as you can see here, just scrolling down, you have to purchase NFTs to play poker and earn ice, okay? So this is the one way that you can generate revenue is by buying and selling NFTs, okay? So you can go onto OpenSea.io and then go look for DecentralGames Ice Poker. You want to make sure that this is the verified blue check that OpenSea has put for DecentralGames, okay? So you know that it's not a fake. So the price of this NFT is a little bit pricey. It's like 1.2 ETH. So depending on what Ethereum's price is, that could be a little bit pricey, but don't fret, okay? You can earn money and you don't even have to put anything down for this. So you can go in here and purchase one of these NFTs and basically have your character within the metaverse wear this, and you can actively go ahead and play poker and earn the ICE token. So before I get into the price of the ICE token, I just want to also mention one other thing with these NFTs. So you can play to earn, and you don't even need to use any of your money with this. You can play this for free. So the one way that I was doing it when I initially started, I went into the DecentralGames Discord, okay? And so they basically have the Discord. It's open to the community. Anyone can join in. And then, actually, let me pull it up for you guys here real quick. So going into this, I'll go to the DecentralGames. Okay, so this is the DecentralGames Discord. And what I did to play for free and to earn their ICE token, all I had to do was go to their channel and say ICE find delegator, and basically the way that you can get a NFT delegated to you is just basically someone has an NFT that they had already purchased, and then they can delegate it to whatever player. And so in doing so, they get a 30% cut just by delegating this to you, and then you get 70% of the total profits that you make just by playing poker, okay? So the one thing that I did, if you guys are interested in doing this, is I said, hey guys, I'm looking for a delegator. I'm looking for a long-term relationship. I want to make this last. And when I did that, one of the creators actually delegated their NFT to me, and I was able to play and earn within the poker world, okay? So it's still not too late, by the way. So you can still earn money. You don't even really need to pay anything. And the other benefits to the DecentralGames is that you can play to earn in the metaverse and earn their DG token, win or lose. Get up to 50% of your expected losses back in DG. So let's say, you know, if you're not too familiar with how poker works, you don't even need to buy like any of these tokens. You can get that NFT delegated to you, learn how to play poker. But if you're an experienced poker player, there's really no lose-lose type of situation. Like, you are going to be the house, and that's what they state specifically on their website, okay? So even if you did lose, you'd get 50% of your expected losses back, which is really good. Like, in a real world environment with an actual casino, you lose 100% of your money. So they're really changing the game on what they're doing right here. So you can also earn APY. So if you end up staking their token, you can get 40% APY per year, and that is way more than the stock market. For the S&P 500, the average is about 10% a year. You're basically you're 4xing that just by staking your money within DecentralGames as well. So, and when you do this, you can also be one of the members to vote on as to where the project will be going and what the deciding factors are. So you, as a holder of the token, you're not just an investor, you're actually one of the contributors on what the project will do. So one of the really good things I like about this project is that the partners that they have. So going down here, you can see that they have partnered with Polygon, which is the main network that they run off of. They partnered with Decentraland, they partnered with Atari, they partnered with Bored Ape Yacht Club, Binance, Bitcoin, and all these other players, okay? So this is a really good start that they have real world partners that are backing this coin, and I can just see where this token can go in the future. So those are the multiple different ways that you can make income. So let's just recap. So you can make money by buying and selling the NFTs. If you want to play the token, you can buy the NFT, earn the ICE token while playing, and you don't even need to risk any of your own money. If you wanted to risk some of your money, you would end up getting 50% of that back. And then if you wanted to do the passive income strategy, you can just get one of these NFTs, delegate it out to someone, they play for you. All you have to do is sit back and relax and collect the money, okay? So those are the multiple different ways, and I really think that this project can boom in the future because they are bringing gambling into the mix in online metaverse. So you don't even need to go into a casino where you are going to be potentially losing all your money, and you walk out as a winner here. So they're really revolutionizing the gambling arena, I truly believe. So I believe heavily into this project. I forgot to mention, sorry. So not only can you purchase all the NFTs, play or whatever, but there are people who have been quitting their full-time jobs and actually working for this company. So it says this casino in Decentraland is hiring for real. Decentraland's Tomino Casino is paying real people stuff for the game reserve currency, okay? So we go down here. There are real-life hosts that are working on the DecentralGames floor in one of their casinos, and they are getting paid monthly $500 in DAI. And if you're not familiar with what DAI is it's just basically a stable coin and is pegged to the US dollar. So you're basically getting $500 per month working part-time in a video game. So there are many different types of shifts that you can do in here, and this is just like really cool. So there are options where you can go full-time in this, and I have seen people make $2,500 a month going full-time. Now, depending on what your situation is, that might not seem like a lot of money, but to a lot of people, that is definitely like a really good source of income. So DecentralGames was based in the Philippines, so they're giving a lot of people in these third world countries a chance to make like way more money than they would, you know, working in whatever type of environment that they are. So they're definitely doing a really good job here with their game. So now with that being said, here are some key factors as to why, you know, I think that this will be blowing up. So the metaverse is very new, but if we go to Google Trends right here, I just typed in metaverse, and we can see that the trend has been pretty steady for the past couple of months. Ever since basically October timeframe, people have been going in and searching what the metaverse is and all that stuff. And as the coming months, we can see that this is kind of like in a downtrend, but it's been pretty steady as to how many people are researching exactly what the metaverse is. Okay, so now let's get into the technical analysis for this coin. Okay, so if you go to CoinMarketCap, you can just look up DecentralGames. This is their old coin. Okay, and as you can see, this is $515, but let's zoom out and take a look at exactly where the coin was when this first initially started. So this started back in December of 2020. This coin started at $17, $18, and steadily, as you can see, going up from December to March of 21. This hit 561, and now, you know, this has been, you know, kind of in a downtrend. This has been fluctuating a little bit, but look at the potential. Like, if, you know, people would have invested into this coin way back when it started, they would, you know, some people would have life-changing money. Okay, so what they decided to do was create a new coin for this, and it is called just DecentralGames. This is the new coin right here, and basically this is the version 2, and the primary reason why they switched back or why they created a new coin was because the old coin really wasn't appealing to people. So you would have to pay, you know, a couple $100s just to get one coin. Now, you know, they ended up doing fractional shares where this is like fractions of a penny, and I actually entered in right around here where it was like the 30-cent mark. So my profit ranges has been pretty nice so far, and as we can see, it's getting back up. It's reaching back up to the 0.60, their all-time high, and it's only been a couple of months. So there's a lot of potential. Now, the other backing token that these guys have is the DecentralGames ICE token. So this token is basically the reward that you get for playing ICE poker, holding one of those entities, or just having passive income means. So as we could see here, this started in October of 21, so fairly new, but this has been fairly steady as far as I can see. And the more people that play this game, the more valuable that this will become, and the more valuable that this will become. They have a really good dedicated team that knows exactly what they're doing and how their treasury is basically funded. And then I wanted to show you guys this case study that I saw in another video on YouTube, and this dude is making like buku bucks for just playing poker. So this dude has a lot of NFTs in his portfolio, and he's just been delegating them out to other people. So he's getting like 30% back on each item, and depending on how valuable that item is, you can actually upgrade it, and then that will give more rewards to whoever is playing with it. So right here in this picture, this was taken about like a couple of weeks ago, and if we go ahead and go into the calculator, so I put his total amount, which was $47,000, and I take the current price of what the ICE poker is, which is 0.1722. He is made $8,000 passively through this strategy. So this is a very, very lucrative type of business that you can get into, and it's all virtual. You literally don't have to do anything. Like, once you get, you know, your NFTs and stuff like that, you can definitely you know, rack in some cash. So I wanted to show you guys this project, how you can make money in the metaverse, and that it is still not late to get in, as you can see by these low prices of what the actual tokens are. So if you didn't want to buy the NFTs, you can just hold the tokens. It, you know, really doesn't matter. And now I just wanted to preface this that, you know, I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm not advising you to buy, hold, sell any of these assets that this company has. I'm currently invested into these tokens, so I wanted to show you the possibilities of what these guys are doing. And I believe these guys will just have astronomical gains in the future because of the metaverse expanding so much. So those were all the different ways that you can make money throughout this strategy. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like the content, make sure you like and subscribe. I basically cover any topics regarding, you know, side hustles, financial education, and cryptocurrency projects that I'm currently invested in. So I will see y'all in the next video.